right, we are going to get ready to read a story called The Contest. It says that it is an opinion writing which tells the author's opinion. So, about beliefs, topics, so things you can look for is the author is trying to get you to agree with them and they give you reasons that support their opinion. Think about the author's words as you read. Then decide or evaluate which details are the most important to help you understand the text. Here are our vocabulary power words that go along with the story: contest, liberty, and hope. So think about those words as you read and think about how you can evaluate the story with what's most important to help you understand what the story is about. Now we will hear from the author.
Libby Martinez thinks being a writer is one of the coolest jobs on the planet. She loves using her imagination to create characters and stories. Miss Martinez's favorite part about writing the contest is learning new facts about our country. Her new favorite fact is that the Washington Monument is 555 feet tall. As she says, that's as tall as 28 giraffes standing one on top of the other.
So that was about the author of the story.
The Contest by Libby Martinez, illustrated by Nina de Colonia. America has many symbols. A symbol stands for something. A symbol can be a flag. It can be a statue. It can also be a bird. Symbols of America: Mount Rushmore, bald eagle, Statue of Liberty, Washington Monument, flag, Lincoln Memorial. Find out about symbols that some students like best. Who is the best reasons? It is a contest. Vote for your favorite symbol. Best eagle. The eagle is the best American symbol because eagles are brave. They make their nests in very tall trees or on cliffs. They keep their babies safe. Jade, the eagle is also the best because it is strong. Eagles have very strong wings. They can fly 10,000 feet in the air. The eagle is brave and strong, like America. Washington Monument. George Washington was the first president. There are many monuments to honor him. He is on Mount Rushmore with 3 other presidents. His face is 60 feet tall. George Washington, Mount Rushmore, Washington Monument. But I think the Washington Monument is better. It honors just George Washington. It is 555 feet tall. It is the best symbol because it looks like a big number 1. That stands for our first president, Washington Monument. George Washington was the first president. There are many monuments to honor him. He is on Mount Rushmore with 3 other presidents. His face is 60 feet tall. But I think the Washington Monument is better. It honors just George Washington. It is 555 feet tall. It is the best symbol because it looks like a big number 1. That stands for our first president. Statue of Liberty. My favorite symbol is the Statue of Liberty. I like it because liberty means freedom. Many people come to America to be free. They hope for a better life. France gave America the statue. That is another reason I like it. I like that countries can give gifts to one another. The Statue of Liberty makes me think of hope and friends. Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial is the best symbol. First, President Abraham Lincoln. He said all people should be free. Lincoln Memorial. Second, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. gave a famous speech there. It was about being fair to all people. The Lincoln Memorial stands for being free and fair. I have a dream. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial is the best symbol. First, it stands for freedom. It was named to honor President Abraham Lincoln. He said all people should be free. Lincoln Memorial. And second, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. gave a famous speech there. It was about being fair to all people. The Lincoln Memorial stands for being free and fair. The flag. The best symbol is the flag. I like it because it stands for our whole country. The 50 stars stand for the 50 states. Brad, I also like the flag because it tells us about our past. Long ago, there were just 13 states. They were called colonies at first. The 13 stripes stand for the first 13 states. Now vote. Which symbol do you like best? Why? Turn and talk. Use details from the contest to answer these questions with a partner. 1. Evaluate. James says that eagles are brave. Is this a detail that helps you understand why the eagle is a good symbol? Tell why or why not. 2. Which character gives the best reason for his or her opinion? Tell why you think so. Listening tip. Listen carefully to your partner. Think of what you agree with and do not agree with.
All right, sorry guys, there was some interruptions there, but that's the story of the contest. I will now post the activity that goes along with this story in Seesaw.